Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. In the previous video that we just watched, we learned about the different text features within the text of TCI. Now we are going to go ahead and focus on the notebook. There are two different ways to access the notebook. You can scroll to the bottom of your page and you'll see where it says notes, and then it has your lesson and your section, or you can click over here on the toolbar. You can click notebook and you can say leave the site, just confirm, and it'll take you to the notebook pages for your different sections, okay? So today we're going to look at the notebook pages in section 1. Okay, again, this is just at the bottom of the text. So to find your answers, you're going to find them in the text, and then we're going to look at the notebook pages, okay? Across your notes for the notebook pages, it does have the questions. TCI will read the question to you.
1. Identify and explain examples of the different causes that led to the collapse of the Roman Empire.
Okay, many of these tools across the toolbar are things that you've probably seen before. In this graphic organizer, you will need to type your answers of the different details of political instability that led to the collapse of the Roman Empire. But if you see here, there's no text box, there's no text feature. So you add one in. You're going to click where it says the letter A. It kind of looks like a flag with an A, but it means for writing. And it's just like using Google Slides. Create your text box. You can click it and drag it to where you want it to go. I can start typing my answer. Type my answer. I can change the color if I want to. I can make it orange and click choose. If I make a mistake, I can click delete and it'll go away. The button with the shapes allows you to add in arrows and lines if necessary, and different types of images if, for example, that was needed for your notebook answer. The rest of these are just different ways to change your font. You can change the color, like darkness. This is a pen so that you can draw if you need to draw stuff. If you mess up, again, just click it and click the delete button. Oops. And you can delete it. And then this one changes your line thickness to how thick your line is. Okay. All right. Another way that we use commonly in the notebook, if it's not a graphic organizer, often it's just questions. So if I scroll down here, oh, and you can also see that it saves automatically for you. So you don't have to do anything to save your work. It will do it automatically. For number 2, it says, it can read to us.
2. Complete the diagram to show the chain of events that led to the breakup of the Roman Empire and the rise of the Byzantine Empire.
Okay, and you can see here we're going to fill in this diagram. So we've had our sentence starter, and then you start typing here, move the capital to the east, period. And again, it saves your work automatically. When you are finished, you click turn in. And it'll ask you just to make sure if you are ready to turn it in. Once you've turned it in, you cannot edit it until I release it back to you. So make sure that you are actually ready to turn in and click yes, turn in.